Hey guys, this is Laura and you are watching Info Review Vids. Today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Primal Life Organics LED Tooth Whitening System. I have seen lots of people checking for the Primal Life Organics LED Tooth Whitening System review. But there are only advertising and promotion videos are available in the YouTube. Only some videos are telling the truth about the Primal Life Organics LED Tooth Whitening System. So I decided to make a video. And I have also heard that there are some people struggling to find the proper website to get Primal Life Organics LED Tooth Whitening System. Because in some videos or in some websites, people are providing fake links that will only leads to lose your money. So I have searched and get the official link of the website. I left the link to the official website link down below in the description of this video. Also, Primal Life Organics LED Tooth Whitening System come with 30 days money-back guarantee. If somehow the LED tooth whitening system didn't complete your satisfaction or it didn't done what it promised, there is no problem. You will get every penny you spent to buy this product. So what is Primal Life Organics LED Tooth Whitening System and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Primal Life Organics LED Tooth Whitening System works, and after many laboratory tests researchers identified that LED Tooth Whitening System is a whole new way to treat your tooth to become white in your home. Teeth whitening refers to any method that lightens the teeth color. Teeth whitening takes place by removing physical blemishes or lightening teeth using chemicals. The Primal Life Organics LED teeth whitening technique involves using a teeth whitener such as hydrogen peroxide and an LED light to white teeth. Most people spend a lot of cash yearly on over-the-counter whitening teeth for a brighter smile. Moreover, teeth whitening cosmetics is a worldwide economy with $3.2 billion in whitening of teeth. When you come to your local teeth whitening facility, cleaning the tooth will be done by the dentist first to ensure that your whitening chemical is covered uniformly on the surface of your teeth. Special equipment is also provided for holding your mouth and protecting your mouth's delicate tissues throughout the blanking process. Once the teeth are coated, the whitening gel lasts around 20 minutes. How does Primal Life Whitening Kit LED Teeth Whitening work? Light emitting diode, LED, is a form of light used for whitening teeth. The remedy is employed using mouth trays that fit perfectly with your front teeth. The LED treatment for teeth whitening with two distinct whitening agents available. Whitening solutions eliminate stains above and below the dental surface. And non-bleach products work exclusively with stains on the surface. The ingredient kinds and intensities of each product differ. You can also choose to have your dentist apply an LED teeth whitening treatment. The treatment systems that you receive from or at the dentist's office are more vital. This system usually contains multiple bottles of whitening agents, appliers, mouth trays, and LED teeth for treatment over several days. How does Primal Life Whitening Kit whiten my teeth? LEDs work in conjunction with tooth whiteners to whiten teeth, which activates the whitener and, thus, initiating a chemical reaction. The whitening LED teeth light does not change the color of the tooth if used alone. It operates instead as a stimulant to accelerate the whitening process reaction in combination with a whitening component. Like the teeth whitening procedure, in-home tooth whitening products can deliver the same results in less than 2 weeks. Are LED teeth whitening lights safe for use? The LED teeth whitening for Primal Life Organics was developed to be safe for home use. The current study suggests that LED teeth whitening is safe and efficient when consumers follow the manufacturer's procedures. LEDs are a safer alternative to ultraviolet, UV, as a light source, leading to cell mutation. LEDs are non-mutagenic and accelerate whitening without UV risk. It is ideal if you speak with your dentist before your teeth are whitened. LED teeth whitening works on yellow teeth, for instance, better than brown or light gray teeth. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Primal Life Organics LED Teeth Whitening System from, and also if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Use this LED whitening system at least once in a day to see better results in just 2 weeks. For some people it visibly works after 3 to 4 weeks of use. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that LED whitening system actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. And don't forget to buy this product in the official websites, or you will end it up in losing your money. It is a friendly reminder. Thanks for watching this video.